A wonderful morning to you, my dear grade 5 students. Last week, we discussed the complete life cycle of a flowering plant, as well as the parts and its function. For today's video, we will discuss about our solar system. So what are you waiting for? Prepare your gears, buckle up, and let's explore our solar system.
5, 4, 3, 2.
If you think I'm small, well that's just an illusion. I'm a star burning bright, fueled by nuclear fusion. If you're caught in my orbit, you're gonna get roasted, cause I'm shooting out a flare, so prepare to get toasted.
Yo, I might be the smallest, but I'm scorching hot. If you come visit me, you'll regret it a lot. I have a dark side, and it's freaking freezing. My thin atmosphere will leave you weeping and wheezing.
I'm the brightest planet, y'all can't compete. I'm the goddess of love, but I smell like feet. I wouldn't breathe here if I were you. My sulfuric acid clouds are poisonous.
Yo, this is Earth and I give birth to over millions of creatures. Oceans, mountains, and forests are just some of my features. Depending where you land, there's lots of ways you could die. Tornadoes, volcanoes, earthquakes, and tsunamis, my guy.
Would you travel to every planet? Could you survive and how would you manage? Come with us on a journey through space. Our solar system is a wonderful place.
Yo, I'm cold, red, and dusty, I got mountains and craters. I'm the Roman god of war, just ask all my haters. If you come and visit me, you better stick to a rover, cause you might live for 2 minutes, then it's all over. I'm the largest planet, and I'm made of gas. My humongous gravity will make you fall real fast.
Big whoop on me, cause I'm the ringleader. I got 130 bones like Titan and Rita.
You can't handle my immensity, so watch your propensity. You're under too much pressure from my atmospheric density.
I might be half your mass, but my core's flaming hot.
Would you travel to every planet? Could you survive and how would you manage? Come with us on a journey through space. Our solar system is a dangerous place.
Yo, my name is Uranus. I've got the coldest atmosphere around these parts. It's an icy, sludgy mix of methane, water, and ammonia. If you try and take a dip, well, it was nice knowing
Yo,
you.
I'm big, and I'm blue, and I've got lots of bling, cause it's raining diamonds here, so you bet it will sting. My wings are supersonic like a speeding fighter jet.
We live on a planet called Earth that is part of our solar system. But where is our solar system? It's in the small part of the Milky Way galaxy. And our galaxy is just one of the million of galaxies in the universe. Our sun is also a star and is at the center of our solar system, surrounded by planets, dwarf planets, moons, asteroids, gas, comets, and dust. Our solar system is elliptical in shape, which means that it's shaped like an egg. We refer to our solar system as it has been named after our sun called Sol, which is Latin for sun. The words solar system relate to two things: any celestial body or things in the universe that is of the sun, and a collection of objects that work together to form the entire whole. Scientists believe that our solar system was formed around 4.5 billion years ago. Let's discuss some of the objects in our solar system. Sun is a medium-sized yellow star. A star is a ball of hot, bright, burning gas. An asteroid is a small rocky object that orbits the sun. Asteroids are smaller than the pebble-sized objects we call meteoroids. Meteoroids are lumps of rock or iron that orbit the sun. A meteor is what happens when a meteoroid, a small piece of an asteroid or comet, burns up upon entering Earth's atmosphere, creating a streak of light in the sky. Comets, on the other hand, are large or small objects made of dust and ice that orbit the sun. They are known as dirty snowballs. Now let's explore the 8 planets in our solar system. Let's start with the inner rocky planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Mercury is the first planet and closest to the Sun. It zips around its orbit very quickly. Mercury doesn't have moons or rings, and the smallest planet in our solar system. Venus is the second and the hottest planet in our solar system. There are a lot of similarities between Venus and Earth. The planet is about the same size as Earth. Venus doesn't have any moons or rings. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and known as the blue planet. It is the only habitable planet in our solar system. Earth has one moon. It circles the Earth once every 28 days. Mars is a red planet with a lot of volcanoes. Mars also has the solar system's largest volcano, Olympus Mons. It is 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Mars does have 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. They are shaped like potatoes. Now let's talk about the outer gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, then the outer ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun and the largest planet of all in our solar system. Jupiter is a gas giant and, as such, doesn't really have what we would call a real surface. It has 79 confirmed moons and Ganymede is the biggest. It is also the biggest moon in our solar system. Saturn is a gas giant like Jupiter. It has almost become a symbol for our solar system and is known as the ringed planet. The rings are made of chunks of ice and dust. Like Jupiter, it also has many moons. Uranus is an ice giant located on the outer solar system. It has a blue-green color. It takes 84 years for Uranus to travel around the Sun. There are 27 known moons around Uranus. These planets have rings, but unlike Saturn, they are relatively small dust and ice. Neptune is the 8th planet in our solar system and is known for its beautiful blue color. This is also the farthest planet from the Sun. It is one of the 2 ice giants. There are 14 moons around Neptune, and the largest moon is Triton, which is shaped like a sphere and has a rotation that is opposite that of Neptune. There are 6 rings around Neptune. For your homework, answer Science Workbook page 46 and the attached science worksheet. For your activity, answer the worksheet about solar system. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed and understood the lesson. See you and keep safe.